I've had many people come to me over the years telling me how they wish they would appreciate classical music. To some it's an expectation from their parents, to others it's their own quest. People approach this with a sense of fear, since it's such a revered topic which is considered to be at the top of high culture. People are afraid to measure their own appreciation of it. Following my approach to music in general, classical music is a language that you can begin to understand. It's a game which has its rules. What I do to people is introduce them to those rules, so they start hearing it clearly in classical pieces. That opens the door for them to the most wonderful enjoyment and appreciation of classical music, when it's no longer foreign, but something so close to your heart and obvious to your mind. I've had pleasant successes in taking people with no connection to music and after a while seeing them dancing in their own enjoyment of classical music. Sometimes they became so obsessed with it that they started to know more pieces than I ever did. When I was a student practicing my guitar in all sorts of places, I would have people coming up to me and ask me, what is this wonderful music that they're hearing? And I'll tell them that this is classical music. They would respond and say, this is classical music? I always thought classical music is something so outdated, something for old people. That taught me that classical music touches everybody, regardless of their education for it. It's only a matter of giving them the confidence in what they're hearing, which can open their deepest involvement in it.